Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Well, you are watching Daily Plan live stream. Today it's Friday, March 15. Interesting day for Bitcoin. As you can see, we have the daily chart here, and I have a reason for that. So, what we have on daily? Usually, I said we'll stay on 4-hour chart, but I could see some ugly things on daily, and I need to show you this, and then we can switch to something else. Well, if we'll close like this, we are at the beginning of this candle. If we'll close like this or lower, we have ugly signs. Yeah, look at here. Let's just remove the ink. You can see bearish divergence, a clear EM here. If we'll close like this, and bearish divergence with a double divergence actually here, is not nice for Bitcoin on daily. Let's hope, finger crossed, let's hope that will bounce. If not, we have bearish divergence on RSI, well, bearish divergence on MACD, and the most important, the ugliest thing, we have an EM and a bearish divergence on OBV. That's not nice. I don't like that. Hopefully Bitcoin could bounce and we'll close the candle a bit higher. But if I see correctly, this was a close already. So we already have the bearish divergence confirmed on OBV. A bearish divergence in OBV, on daily chart, on Bitcoin, doesn't sound nice in my ears. Maybe it's not the case, but I have clear signs that it's not so strong as we see on the screen. If we'll stay below 69, it's like a fake out. If you think about range, breakout, fake out, I like to say every time, well, this time could be a fake out as usual. Trying to accept above 69, 70k, didn't manage to do that, and will push back down. For the moment, we don't have a close back below 69. Today will be the first one. So hopefully we'll bounce from this level. If we look left, we have some support. But nothing more than that. If we'll accept below, it's ugly. If it's ugly, that doesn't mean we'll go straight down today. No, but we have some warning signs. We should expect a retracement. It's that time. Honestly, it's that time just before the halving for a small or bigger correction. Nothing unusual. Okay, I'll put the ink back and you can see higher highs where the long relow zone is from this swing low, and you can see here a lot of support at 52, if not at 78.6 at 46, and if not, look at the entire thing. Well, 38. Possible? Yeah. Probable? No. At this point in time, no. But who knows what will happen until the end of the week or next week. Okay, I'll go on weekly chart on this one just to show you something because I think it's important, and then we can go on lower time frames. Well, if we dare to imagine that we'll close like this or uglier with a red candle, what do you think will happen after that? This looks like a potential local top. We can form an ugly 3-bar fractal top on weekly. It's a bit too early. Keep in mind, it's Friday. We have Saturday, Sunday, and we'll close the weekly. And then we have next week. But this rejection at a key level here, you can see I have drawn this level here, 69. A key rejection here doesn't look nice. It will look like a double top, triple top with a fake out. That means I'm bearish from now on Bitcoin? No. I'll buy the dip. But we have to see that the market was too strong, too fast, too far, and maybe we need a correction. Finger crossed, we can close this candle better. We can close above 69, maybe a 72, maybe even higher. And we can continue higher to road to 100k and higher. The moon boy is thinking. It's possible. But we have some warning signs. On indicators, we don't have anything here. We don't have anything on indicators on weekly. But we have warning signs on daily, we have warning signs on 4-hour chart. Now, because we talked about the overview, now let's go and see what we have on 4-hour chart. Let's put the ink back. Yesterday in the New York live stream, we talked about this bearish divergence and everything is happening here, and you can see you can see here, yeah, and bearish divergence confirmed yesterday in OBV. We talked about yesterday in the live stream about this one. Well, now you see the result. Lower time frames, we'll talk about when we'll go on the day trading part. So for the moment, seems like we are trying to form a top. We still have here higher highs, higher lows in the price action. Just some warning signs. We can really easily here W out in this area and push higher, and then we'll invalidate everything and we'll have to reset everything and start over again and look for warning signs if will be the case. For the moment, I see an M, an ugly one, a small one here in the top and a big one, an ugly one here, exactly at 69. We are below 69 level, below the all-time high. If we'll accept on 4-hour chart, we already accepted below that level. But I think we need more than that. Let's see how daily will close. If daily will close like will close below 69, then I think we have a problem. Okay, 4-hour chart, a trade here. Well, I don't think it's the case to take a trade here. If you want to hunt along, you should go all the way down here. Take this swing now and put the long reload zone. Wait here. You can see this level. It's just below 61.8. You can see this initial pump. If we'll bounce, probably this is the level, 64. So waiting here for a long idea is not bad. You have a location if you are taking this level. You have a pump chaser zone, but nothing more than that for the moment. So if you'll take, let me think, pump chaser. Well, you can see we are at 38.2. That's why we are bouncing here. If we'll form a W here, okay, I could see a trade there. But against all this bearish divergence, maybe it's a better idea to wait. There are some scenarios. When you see Bitcoin pushing higher, altcoins resetting, okay, buy the dip, it's okay. But sometimes when you see warning signs and you see Bitcoin weak, and you see maybe you should wait a little bit more, buy the dip, could dip even lower. Well, Stefan is asking when 100K. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. And I'm not thinking about 100K now. I'm thinking we are 1 month before the halvening. And too many people are seeing the bullish scenario and not the bearish one. Nobody is seeing, actually nobody is seeing anymore the bearish scenario. Everyone is seeing moon, 100K. We passed 69, we are safe, we are going higher. Well, maybe. So, Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. You can see what we have. Ethereum on 4-hour chart. We are in pump chaser zone. Looking at Bitcoin dominance, we'll look in a couple of minutes. Yeah, I'll be more inclined to hunt Ethereum here. We are already in the pump chaser zone. But give me something. Give me a W. Give me a consolidation. Give me something so I could hunt here. Well, this was the top on Ethereum for the moment. This big gem at $4,000? Possibly. But if you remember, a couple of days ago, I said, if we're lucky and we'll get pump chaser zone, well, we have pump chaser zone. Bitcoin should be weak a little bit, so Ethereum could go and drop in the pump chaser zone. Let's hunt something. I'll hunt long ideas on Ethereum, I'll be honest. The only thing I'll hunt short ideas is Bitcoin, as usual. So, hunting here on lower time frame, I don't know. It seems like a good idea. We don't have a W. We just have a dead cat bounce here in the pump chaser zone. Give me a clear W. And I could play. But for the moment, if we'll bounce straight up, well, so be it. Next bus. That's Ethereum on 4-hour chart. Let's see Bitcoin dominance. Well, this is nice. We have a point here where we stopped multiple times. Look left. Look left. Look left. So we have some yams. Finally, finally, we are watching this this Bitcoin dominance from some time, from, I don't know, I think 5-6 days, and you can see yams, and we are pushing lower. We can finally have Bitcoin staying at 69 or below 69 and altcoins to pump. Well, let's watch this market. If we'll accept below this level, it's possible. Let's zoom out a little bit. Maybe you can see it better. Well, give me a daily close below this this level, and I'll be okay with that. We have a daily M. If you remember, we said about, well, we have a daily M. Pump here to bearish retest this M. It's possible. It's okay, and seems like we'll have some altcoins pumping, at least against Bitcoin. But if this was a mini bull run before the halvening, a good one, a strong, a really strong one, okay, altcoin, they should have their day in the sun. So focusing on altcoins, maybe zoom out on 4-hour chart to buy the dip, not on 1 hour, not on 15-minute chart, but zoom out a little bit more and buy a good dip on altcoins is not a bad idea. I think if we'll accept below this level, we'll have a really nice altcoin season. Some people didn't saw a really good altcoin season until now, if they are not from the last bull market. And we can have that. But first of all, accept below this level. If we'll accept below this level, then for me it's the last confirmation that this one will go in the long reload zone. We have the M. Let's close like this or below, and we are safe to think about hunting long ideas. Hopefully we'll dump today Bitcoin, and in the weekend we can pump some altcoins, and we'll have a nice weekend, hopefully. But we'll see. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance on daily. On 4-hour chart, back on 4-hour chart, we are fighting at the middle of the range, at this level. Let's see what will happen. You can see close, candle body close really nice at 53%. If we'll close below, even better. So it's looking nice. We just need Bitcoin to stay there at 69, 70K, and altcoins will do their thing. And some of them, they'll really pump in this scenario, really pump. I saw scenarios where 5x, 10x in a day, and some altcoins, so imagine that. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance. Now, let's go on Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and let's see what we have. Well, this line tells you something. Well, for me, definitely it's an important level if I'll go on daily. And if I'll zoom out a little bit, it's the middle of the megaphone. Well, imagine that. We have the middle of the megaphone like a support now. Well, we are still between short and long reload zone, playing ping pong, but we should see this one. And like I said, in the middle, we don't know, up or down. I'm betting on the upside. Why? Because we have buy the rumor. Let's go back. You saw the megaphone. Now let's go back on 4-hour chart. We have a W here. In a long reload zone, if you take this swing low to swing high and you put a long reload zone, you have the long reload zone here, 78.6. A W in the long reload zone, it's always bullish, with some bullish divergence, hopefully. Well, bullish divergence here at least. Some W's confirming the W on the price action. Some W's confirming the price action. Yeah. So we have some signs that Ethereum could outperform Bitcoin. Nothing new about that. Yeah, we can go down, but my bet is that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin and will push back in the short reload zone and maybe even higher here at the high of the megaphone, if we're lucky. So, hunting long ideas on Ethereum, not a bad idea, like we said earlier. Okay, we talked about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, Bitcoin on weekly. Let's take a look at the chart we specially designed for weekly. And let's see what we have. Well, you can see all-time high. You can see we are fighting at this level. Ugly rejection, actually. Everyone was bullish here. Well, we'll go to the moon. The moon is close. It's a real breakout. Okay. I think it's a big range. It's not a big breakout. maybe I'm wrong. Usually I'm right because market is in a range 80% of the time. So usually I'm right when I'm thinking fake out. But there are that 20-30% where I'm not right. So I have to prepare for that. For the moment, let's wait on the weekly close. Hopefully we'll close kind of like this and not a lot lower. Hopefully we'll close above 69. Yeah? It's a really important level. You should see that. Huh? Fighting between these two levels, 64 and 69, not bearish. Okay, local top could go sideways, so we can stay below all-time highs and go sideways here. Well, it will be the best scenario for us. Altcoins will really pump, we'll make some money, and then after the halvening, maybe we'll drop a little bit and we can go even higher. That will be the perfect scenario, but hope for the best, prepare for the worst. I think we should think about lower levels. Same idea, 2024 buy the dip scenario. Well, nothing will change. Now, just a brief overview on Total. Total is fighting at the real high, as I like to call it. You can see ugly rejection here, important level. And you can see the fake out is not far away, it's just half of trillion. Total 2, same idea. You can see it's a bit weaker, but we touched 61.8. Normal for a chart to reject from 61.8. Usually it does that. Total 3 that didn't even touch that one. So we still have some room for a Total 3, for some altcoins. So seeing Bitcoin dominance, seeing the Total 1 and Total 3 looking differently, well, we still have some hopes. At least we have some small hopes. Okay, that's the Total 3. Let's see what we have on day trading part, most important thing. Okay, so I'm on Ethereum here, but let's switch on Bitcoin on lower time frame. Okay, and let's look at 50-minute chart. Well, yesterday, before I kind of closed everything and I kept only the trading part because I have a bad habit. Actually, it's a bad habit to trade in the night. I don't have sleep sometimes. And I said, when the price was here, exactly here, I said, short reload zones are for hunting short ideas, definitely. And you can see what happened. Yeah? In the short reload zone, we managed to get DCM. I managed to get DCM, sorry. And I closed at the equal lows here. And you can see equal lows pretty clear. Good level for a target. 4.7 R made my day. So I didn't lose my night watching the chart. At least I made some money. And you know that I had a short from here. We had another short here and they stopped us out. And then we had another one here. This one reached the target. Bounced here. Dalai Lama here. Really nice Dalai Lama. And then short again. The market is behaving exactly respecting the fib levels. Usually you don't see so much perfection. Honestly, exactly like you want, or a trader wants the market to behave. It's that clear. Just look at it. Really nice and clean. And now we are staying just below 69 and people are saying, well, it's hard to trade. No, you're hard to manage yourself. It's not hard to trade. There are situations when the market is ugly and you should stay out or slow down. But now the market is behaving really, really nice, respecting all the levels or the important ones. So up to you. Now we have a W here. More than that, I don't know if I'll take this W. For me, looks like a bearish retest for the moment. That's why I'm not so eager to, okay, let's hunt a long idea here. We have a W. We have a nice one even. You can see slowing down here, made a W, breakout, retest. We can push higher. Yeah, we can. I'll bet on that. No, I'm betting on altcoins to hunt some if I'll get the opportunity. I'm still thinking short on Bitcoin. Now, what we can do? Okay, we made some trades. What we can do now? Well, pretty simple. Take the high, the last one, and take the low. If you want to short, You have the short reload zone. Come on, where are you? 1 second. 1 second, because I'm being stupid here. Short reload zone. Well, you can see in this area 70 to 71, you can look for an M or for a 3-bar fractal or for something if you want to short. 78.6, you can see some confluences here. If we're lucky and we'll get to that level, you can try to short. If you want to long, it's a bit too late because you already missed the retest of the W. So, you want to short, this is the area. You want to long, well, you can take the entire thing, but I don't know if it's recommended. Overall, on 15-minute chart and 1 hour chart, we switched. We don't have higher highs, higher lows. We have lower highs and lower lows. This is Stefan trade here. Stefan, if you are watching the video, you can frame the trade. It's your setup here. I know you like to take the 61.8 and risk all the way up. It's a good setup. A lot less riskier than what we have on scalping level. So that's Bitcoin on a 50-minute chart. We'll look at 1 hour. You can see 1 hour switched also. So lower highs, lower lows. 4 hour chart, kind of. We are still on uptrend on 4 hour chart. Let's keep in mind that. Yeah. So high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high. we are still. If we break below 60, 61, 60k below this level, then we'll switch. Or we can form an internal here. We have some. So we have a high, a low, a higher, a lower high, and lower low. It's not enough for me, honestly. We need more than that, but we can switch to the bearish side on 4 hour chart also. But bearish signs on RSI all the way up. You can see bearish sign, bearish sign, bearish signs. And I showed you the 4 hour chart. I don't need to show you again. Now, I'll keep 4 hour chart just to see some altcoins. FET. Well, this trend line is still valid. Ugly 3-bar fractal here on 4 hour chart, honestly. Could be a double top, and if you'll accept below this level, it's done. Wait for a dip, and to buy a dip on this one, you can draw your fibs. You can draw. It's a lot. I'm going on swing trading, and it's not okay. Manta. Well, we hoped for pump chaser zone. We have pump chaser zone. Now let's wait for a W. Nothing to do for the moment. If we don't see a W here and we'll drop lower, even better, we'll get a cheaper price. Alt. Well-respected trend channel. We are in the pump chaser zone, like I said. So we have location. Let's be extra careful for a W to frame a clear setup, but we have some locations. Land, same idea, but the problem on land, the problem I have on land, it's this is a M breakdown, this is a bearish retest, and this entire thing, it's a big fucking M, and I don't like that. So I'll prefer to wait. I don't like pump chaser zone. Even if we'll could pump without me, I'll wait in the long reload zone. Sorry. It is what it is. I'm not chasing. So give me a W here, the other side of the trend line, and we can talk about. I'm not attacking hunting longs here. Okay, that's land. New coin, could dump. You know, they should form a bottom. They should form some levels. It's young and stupid. Let's call it that way. Doge. Well, yesterday we talked about Doge, and someone said, well, Elon Musk spoke about Doge. Well, expect a full retracement. No, it's not possible. Well, look at the chart. And you can see big range. Elon Musk says that Doge is something. Well, Doge is something, but will retrace back in the middle of the range, and you can see where long reload zone is. We can pump from here, but same idea. Zoom out. We close this 4 hour candle here. If you don't see it, well, let me clarify it for you. M. Clear M here. So, slow down. Just slow down and wait for a better level. I'll wait here in the long reload zone for a W. I'm not playing 61.8 and 78.6. The market is too violent and too ugly, and I don't want to play that setups. I'll wait for classic setup. Okay, give me location, give me some indicator confirmation, and then give me some structure. Even if I'll be more aggressive and I'll take that structure will be 3-bar fractal on higher time frame. So I could take here in long reload zone a 3-bar fractal bottom. I could take it if it's good enough, okay. But it's enough aggressivity. I don't want to be more aggressive. Well, that's Doge. Pixel, well, if you remember, we discussed this one. Someone asked me in a meeting. We said, well, AB equals D to the upside, or maybe AB equals D to the downside. Well, we just almost hit the downside target. It's enough? No. Bearish structure, YAMS, and you can see lower highs, lower lows, and you can see where the long reload zone is. Just for this part, if we'll take the whole thing, well, actually the support should be here in this range. If we'll accept at 61.8, we'll see. Let's see what we have. Well, not the best tool. We'll try it next time. On day trading part, bearish structure. I'll wait here. Let's keep my I'll keep my range from this level for the moment, because I could see it bouncing from 78.6 here. You can see the support. It's a strong one, and I'm expecting a bounce here. Will last? I don't know, but I'm expecting a bounce from 78.6. Doji, stronger than the rest, but looks like we'll go down. I'm dollar cost averaging here, nothing to trade. Matic, well, I spoke about it. Now let's wait for if you want a pump chaser zone here, I think you can get something, but wait for the W. Dimension, you know, I said long here, take your profit here, don't attack it here because it's in short reload zone. You can see the result. Nothing I can do here. It's ugly, honestly. It's all over the chart. I don't like it. Well, Bitcoin we spoke about, Ethereum we spoke about. Nice and clear EM actually here. But nothing we can do. Fourth, like I said, if you remember, I said something about pump and dump and wait, and the dump wait a little bit more for a clear setup because it could take a long time to recover. BNB, well, BNB was strong, really strong, honestly, until formed this EM. Didn't confirm it yet, but we can confirm this EM. And I think it's fair enough to do something like this. And don't expect long reload zone. Let's be a bit more greedy and think about pump chaser zone. Look at the confluences here. Look at the support at 38.2. Give me a bounce here, and I could think about longing here against this possible probable EM. No, if we'll pump without me, nothing I can do. Pit strong, but has this EM, is just bearish retesting this EM in my view, so we can see pump chaser zone. Solana, well, if you remember, we said about Solana will reach to the moon, and you can see my target here. Well, we exceed that, $160. We managed almost $200 on Solana. I think we did our job. Now to hunt long ideas on Solana at almost $200, I don't think is the case. It's up to you, but no. It's too far, too fast, and let's see, maybe we have some divergence. Bearish divergence here. Here we are forming something. Didn't see it, is not confirmed yet, so the indicator doesn't see it, but you can see we are forming a bearish divergence. We have some bearish divergence here on OBV. So watch out, don't be too aggressive on Solana. Take some profit off. It's just an altcoin, other way. Okay, Jupiter, strong like bull. I like this one, but keep in mind, we are strong at $1, at big fat resistance. We have some oomph to keep that level, maybe, but if everything will go down, watch for pump chasers zone. Because this is the first area where we should hunt long ideas. Don't chase it here, just don't do it. Please don't do it. Please don't chase it here. Yeah, could pump, could double, but the window of risk is too much. Just my 2 cents. Well, we spoke about this one. On the day trading part, Holy Grail, too aggressive moves for Holy Grail, I'll be honest. And some altcoins are pumping, some altcoins are moving, but it's too aggressive. We need the market to slow down a little bit, and then we can play around. Seems like the altcoins, they are not ready yet. Maybe they need another dump. I'll be honest, if it's a range, don't trade with Holy Grail. And I don't see an advantage with Holy Grail today. Maybe in the weekend we'll form something, but for the moment we don't have. Well, WAG, give me a ticker or something, and I'll gladly look at that. Okay, now Stefan will leave me by myself because he has to go on VIP to start the meet for the VIP guys. Usually that's only for VIP. Sometimes Stefan will open for premium members, but only that. So that meet is scalping, purely scalping, day trading. Is not for beginners, so only VIP guys and premium members sometimes they will have access. General members, they don't have any business to scalp on 5-minute chart, that's for sure. Okay, we talked about almost everything we talk usually. Some altcoins, they are pumping. We have a good bag of ape with hat. And you can see it's pumping. It's strong like bull. Well, I took some profit off because I need to secure my capital, but this one could pump. 18 million total market cap, a lot of liquidity, seems like a lot of hype. Yeah, this one could pump, this one could do great things on short term, but let's watch it. We are long, now it's too late to long it, in my view, and we are waiting. We have more than that, not only ape with hat, we have a lot of altcoins on Solana. So, and you can see here, let's take the strongest ones. So, ape is the strongest one. Hami, the mouse, the hamster, it's recovering some ground, but I don't know. It's just forming a bottom here. I'll say that will go to zero node. Looks nice. It's in the right location, consolidating. Could follow the ape with hat? Yeah, pretty easily. You can see the market cap. It's infim. It's small. It's below 1 million. Come on. If you think about this meme will be something, you can buy a coffee here. Just drink a coffee less today and buy $5 or $10 worth of Hami and see what happens. But don't bet your house on it. Okay, let's go back. Well, Satoshi, we discussed about this one. This one is not a meme coin. This one is a strong one, and you can see we are long and strong. Some retracement here. I took some profit off, but because I played it on spot, I'm okay with keeping the rest. So I have kind of a free coins here, and I don't care about it. Just leave it. I want to see in the top of the bull market what will happen with this one. I'll be honest, and I'll reload if I'll get the opportunity here. It's strong one. I like it. I don't know if we'll succeed or not. Doesn't matter. Well, balls. We had balls, Wallfoot balls, and listing on Maxi. Well, classic. Buy the rumor, sell the news, reset, and they'll start a new listing and so on, and they'll pump it higher and higher. Usually, there are a lot of influencer on this one, so buying the dip here at 61.8. I don't know if it was a bad idea. I think it was a good idea. 61.8 and a retest of this W. Looks okay, as you can see, exactly Wyckoff check of that level. And then it's bouncing back. Here you are in the short reload zone. You don't have any business to long it here. And you have the big one. If we'll pass above this level, then in price discovery we can talk about follow the trend and do something else. Well, I don't know if it's the best solution for us to talk about meme coins on a general live stream, but the last one is Pigeon. Pigeon with hats, with boots, not with hats, and it's consolidating. I have this one, and I'm patiently waiting for a test of the highs, maybe even more. Nice meme coin. You have to think about it's a meme coin. You have to look something else for it. If it has a community, if it's funny, if the people who are shilling it, they are not weak hands. Usually they are. Then you have the swings and the dumps. Well, that was it from my part for today. It's Friday. In the New York, Stefan will be with you in the New York session. I'll be out. If I'll manage to get back at my desk before the live will be over, I'll join you. If not, we can hear us Sunday in the weekly crypto review. Watch out, we have a new giveaway. Same old one, same kind of prizes, and you can see $100, 1 month premium, 10 IEVO, and 500 balls. Follow, like, repost, tag 3 friends, and you'll participate. The draw will be almost 10 days from now, let's just call it that way. Easy and clean, the best way to promote our community. We have some problems with people who are farming the giveaways, but it is what it is. It's still a good way. It's about luck, who will win the prize. Well, if all the community members will retweet, probably one of them. If they will be lazy and will not retweet, then probably a farmer of the giveaways will get the prize. Well, that's something we are doing usually. We'll do a bigger one in approximately 1 month from now, so watch out for that. It's a surprise. I think it's a really good one. For the moment, watch out on the market. Don't risk too much. Bitcoin dominance on a lower time frame on in front of your screen, in front of your eyes, to see what will happen. You can see you are bouncing a little bit. And like I said, Bitcoin on 4-hour chart, clear signs of weakness, and possibly on daily. Bitcoin going sideways, altcoin pumping, not a bad idea. Bitcoin really dumping will destroy everything. Okay, guys, I'll go and join Stefan, or do, I don't know if I'll be able to join him, but I think it's enough for today. See you guys next time.